Nobody's told the birds to stop singing, and nobody's told the grass not to grow. Nobody's told the flowers to stop blooming, and nobody said stop, your rivers don't flow. But we have been told to stop congregating, and if we are out then 2 meters apart, we shout to each other, how are you doing? And smile lots of people from deep in our hearts. The school shops are closed, theatres, pubs, restaurants. We can't see our families except on FaceTime, and everything's cancelled from now to Olympics. To get back to normal will seem such a climb. Regaled in new phases from self-isolation, PPE equipment, pandemic lockdown, new hospitals rising to cope with the virus, and volunteers coming from every town. Our churches are closed, but the clergy are helping with daily reflections to keep us on track. God won't desert us, His grace ever with us, His love and compassion we never will lack. We applaud all our heroes, paint rainbows all over. Where we are now could not be foreseen, but nobody's told the birds to stop singing, so we smile and be baffled against COVID-19.